There is low volume in the whole crypto market, but I still predict the price of Bitcoin can fall towards the downside this week. And yes, and very harsh reality, but this is the truth according to me. So I'll discuss each and everything in today's video. Let's get straight to the point. Before coming to the Bitcoin's price, let me tell you about Solana right over here. And if I move to the daily time frame, and sorry about the background noise, please try to ignore it. So for the past couple of days, the volume on Solana is pretty low. Price is slightly rising towards the upside, but the volume is gradually decreasing and decreasing. Not only this, if I zoom out, you can clearly see price of Solana is in a downtrend. High, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So there are high chances a new lower low will be made. And not only this, but price is right now in middle of my two important levels. This is the first important support zone from $167 to $177, and this resistance zone from 220 to 225 approx. These both are important zone for Solana right now, and the most important thing is that price of Solana can go anywhere, either to upside or downside, but I still expect for the price of Solana to go towards the downside mainly. We can see a large pump towards the upside, like just a quick pump towards the upside, getting rejected from $220 level and then going heavily towards the downside. But or maybe we can directly go towards the downside, but I am still expecting the price of Solana to come at this important white zone once again. Also talking about BNB, and you can clearly see price of BNB right now is getting rejected from this important resistance zone. This whole purple zone is a very important resistance zone from $618 to $674 approx, and it is getting rejected. And if I zoom in, you can clearly see this 9th of February's green candle. We have seen a large volume. Still the price hasn't even did a breakout towards the upside and got heavily rejected from the upside. This means that there are sellers in the market and there is a lot of pressure from the sellers. Buyers are unable to break this level towards the upside, and price can go towards the downside and till 570 easily, I expect, for the price of BNB. But BNB is not the main thing right now. So finally I'm on the Bitcoin's chart, and well, you can clearly see price is getting manipulated a lot. You can see 3 consecutive doji candles. Price went towards the upside until 98, got rejected in the same day. Price went all the way up till 100k, got rejected on the same day. Again doji candle, again doji candle. Well, Saturday, Sunday already there is less volume, so can't say anything. But one more thing I have to show you guys is that this is the very important level for price of Bitcoin, from 93,700 to 91,000, and right now price of Bitcoin is in middle of nowhere, and this means that there are high chances price of Bitcoin can come all the way down till this level, minimum this level at 93,700, and meet this level, and then we can see a reversal towards the upside or maybe a huge breakdown. Let's see, but I expect the price of Bitcoin to first come and meet this important zone, white zone of support right now for BTC. And slightly Bitcoin is in a downtrend as well. You can clearly see high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high, kind of lower high right now, and I expect the price to jump towards the downside. Obviously right now I'm not taking any trade. I'm just waiting for the price to come at my levels, then only take a trade, either a long or a short. And this is just what I expect from the price of crypto the next coming days. Let's see what happens. I'll inform you guys definitely on my Twitter as well. If you want to trade Bitcoin, Solana or BNB or any other crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.